What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. I'm talking King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Topic, the Hussle Family, King Hussle 2.0, Blachat Jones, Click Here to Laugh, Hussle Nation Empire Productions. Make sure y'all go follow all them YouTube channels and hit the all notification bell. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title of the video on all my videos. Once you click the title, boom, with the little arrow in the corner, boom, all my social media links will pop up at the bottom. The first one will say book here. That's my real IG. I got a lot of fake IGs out there. So if anyone looking to book their lessons or tap in with me to spend some money, make sure you, if you're not sure it's me, make sure you call. Make sure you see my face first before you send any money, because I don't want anybody sending any money, getting scammed or none of that. I don't hit nobody up contacting you, asking to come do business with me, none of that. So make sure it's the right King Hussle, me right here. See this face, so you won't get scammed. We got Twitter, we got Snapchat, we got a lot of different social media platforms. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this started. So in today's video, I'm finna drop some more gems on y'all. I'm finna show you guys how to get approved. If you got a new business and you got a new small business and you looking to get approved for anywhere from $25,000 to $10 million. Yes, I said that. $25,000 to $10 million. It's all based off what you make annually. You won't be affected. You can have bad credit, all that. So today I'm gonna be talking about a place called National Business Capital. And National Business Capital works as a great lender. You can look them up on Google. They've been working with a lot of people. They funded a lot of money to a lot of different businesses over the years. They've done a great job. I know a couple people who I referred them to who's gotten major loans from them. And they got lines of credit cards, all that type of stuff. So with National Business Capital, you can have a fair credit. You can get up to $25,000 to $10 million for your small business, and the approval process is very, very easy. So if anybody out there got a new business, got your documents together, got your business together, or it all comes down to having your documents together. It doesn't matter what type of documents you have, but as long as you got your right documents. It could be real business, it don't matter. As long as you got your documents together, you can get this loan. So today's video, we're gonna dive in. I'm gonna show you guys how to get approved, what documents you need to get approved, that you really need a fair credit score to get approved, and you can start getting some money for your business. You can start paying your employees. You can start getting merchandise. You can start buying the things that you need. Because like I said, if you got 3 buddies, a couple buddies, anybody that you can make as your employee. So now that you got 3 friends, right? You start a business, you make them your employees. So you put them down as your employees, boom. So now you got employees to pay. So now you start, you got supplies, you got inventory, you got to hire workers, you got to manage the office rent, you got to finance the operating costs, you got to cover utility expenses, you got to pay taxes, right? So you got all this in order. You got the right documents. I guarantee you get approved with any loan that you want. So let's dive into this National Business Capital. Okay, National Business Capital, right? So National Business Capital. At some point, all businesses face cash flow challenges like seasonal slowdowns and late payment customers. Business credit cards and personal loans generally don't provide enough cash to accomplish what you need to. You can find yourself in a situation where you're struggling to pay your employees, hire new workers, pay your inventory, manage office rent and mortgage payments, and all those different things right there. So how to use business financials to grow business and faster, easier and faster. All right, so they go over those type of things. Cover expenses, buy inventory, those things like that. National Stream Online 75 plus lender marketplace. You know, what's the easiest way to get a business loan? So this is where it gets nice. So you can apply at a bank, but you know that's not easy. That's why you're here, to find an easy way to get a small business loan. Banks aside, there are many other small business lenders, which makes finding the best option for you even more confusing. Every lender offers different programs with vary interest rates, terms, lengths, and funding amounts. Online marketplaces like National simply and speed up this process. All right, so it's different lenders, different terms, loans, different things like that. Small business loan application process. All right, So apply. Fill out our simple 60-second application and begin the process. Then complete your online application by connecting your bank statements through our bank grade portal in under 3 minutes. So all you need is bank statements. All right, bank statements. Bank statements. Review. Consider multiple loan options available within our marketplace. Here are your options explained by a knowledgeable business financing advisor and ask any questions you have. Get funded. Select the best option. Select the best option available and get funded in as little as a few hours. Start using your cash to grow your business right away without restrictions on how you can use your funds. So you can get however much, you can use however way you want to use as long as you pay it back. So bank statements is all you need. What do you need to be eligible to apply for small business loans? All right. To apply for small business loans, the first thing you will need to consider is that the lender. Lenders may have different guidelines, requirements, and application processes. With National, you can apply for a small business loan online by filling out a 60-second application form and select from multiple loan options within our marketplace. Showing a profit helps, but it's not always essential to receiving financing. We focus on our business potential rather than our history, all right? Take that into consideration. So be at least 1 year in business. Even as a young, growing business, you can still find financial options, all right? To qualify, your business must be generating a minimum of $10,000 monthly revenue. So that's $120,000 in annual revenue. So if in 12 months you make, every month you make 120, you make 10,000, so 120, and you know the whole year. 580 plus credit score required. We have financial options with businesses with excellent and bad credit. All right, so don't be so man, my credit bad. That's fine. They will still finance you with just different credit loan options. All right. What is the minimum credit score required for a small business loan? Most lenders, especially banks, will want you to have a minimum credit score of around 680. This is also typical the requirement for SBA funding as well. Of course, having a higher credit score can boost your approval odds and help you access better interest rates. If your credit score is less than 680 or your business is fairly new, it's possible your financing application may be rejected by a bank. But before you get too discouraged, it's helpful to keep in mind that not all small business lenders may have a minimal credit score requirement. All right, so take that into consideration. Everybody don't got a minimal credit score requirement, so you gotta do your research. You gotta look and find which ones don't. Banks rejections can be discouraging, but not all small business lenders have a minimum required credit score. At National, you can find options regardless of your credit score. You can find options regardless of your credit score. All right. We have programs for small businesses with good credit, bad credit, and everything in between. Instead of focusing only on your business and personal credit scores, we consider your annual revenue and how your new opportunity help grow. So bank statements, you tell them how much your revenue is. How can a credit approval for your how to get a credit approval for your small business loan? Getting a credit approval for a small business loan is no longer a tedious process. It is once new. FinFetch platforms have expedited this process to make it faster and easier for you. So 1 year in business history, 120 a year, and 580 credit score. We have worked with a wide variety of lenders that maintain options for all different types of credit scores. Okay, so don't be discouraged you got a bad credit score. That's what I be trying to tell y'all. As long as you got the right documents, you'll get approved. The application process is also fast and secure. Once you complete the online application, simply contact your bank accounts through our bank grade security portal, and your information will be verified automatically. All right, so finding the best loan programs, go through that. You just find the best one for you. What are secured and unsecured business loans? Secured and unsecured. Secured is when you put your money up. Unsecured is when you don't put your money up. But let's read what it says. The difference between secured and unsecured business loans is simple. Secured business loans require collateral, like I just said, such as a real estate, heavy machinery, or other assets, while unsecured business loans don't require any collateral as a guarantee for being able to pay back the loan. All right, so secured, unsecured. What is a term loan? What is a short-term loan? They just jot down and give you the information so you know what's really going on when you get these type of loans, so you won't be in the dark. How can you calculate small business interest rates? Small business loan 101, facts. So that's basically it. And then down here, 10 reasons why National Business Capital offers the best small business finances. So paperwork, 2 to 3 years tax return, 2 to 3 years financials. Nah. 3 to 6 months bank statements, 1 year tax return, 1 year financial. Nah, but with National, you need 3 months bank statements, no tax returns needed. So all you need is bank statements to get approved, all right? Number of lenders, over 75, personal advisor, hours and days. All right, soft pull. Credit score, no minimum FICO, soft pull. Credit check, soft pull. So y'all, when I be like, oh, no credit or soft, no credit check or no minimum FICO score, bad credit, y'all won't be like, oh, he lying. Nah, this is real biz. Go get y'all some money. You got you a business, you want to get you from $25,000 to $25 million. Go get you some money right now. National Business Capital. I showed you right there. There you guys got it. I just showed you National Business Capital. And they giving out money. I'm talking about $25,000 to $10 million. How can you beat that? A lot of people like, man, that ain't real. Man, that ain't real. Listen, anybody can get approved for a loan as long as you have your paperwork together. And it all comes down to documents. Every site that I give you for loans, credit cards, anything like that is for you guys to go get approved, because it's for bad, fair credit and for new small businesses and people who are trying to get their credit together, so it's easy approval. You just have to have your documents and everything in order. You got to have bank accounts. You got to have business bank accounts. You got to have certain things in order to get approved. And sometimes a lot of you guys don't have that. You like, I didn't get approved because you just went and filled out the application thinking you'll get approved. Listen, they only give loans to people who don't need the money. They're not going to give people the loans. They're not going to give loans to people who need the money. They're going to give loans to people who don't need the money, because the people who don't need the money, they're going to keep the money. It's going to be easier for them to pay it back. But the people who need the money, they're going to use that. And everything is based off utilization rate. So that's why I get these sites. That's why I get these gyms. That's why I make these videos, so you guys can automatically know where to go once you get your documents in order, once you get a lot of other things in order, so you can get approved for your small business, so you can do whatever you need to do. And hey, some people make CPNs and can make businesses on there, so you can do the exact same thing and do what you need to do. Make your payments, get money, make your payments, get more money, get good business credit, get good personal credit, and you can start elevating life and getting these credit cards, these loans, and become a millionaire in no time. So, like I said, this National Business Capital, I'm dropping gems, I'm dropping more videos. Anybody looking to tap in and get their gems, anybody want to learn about credit, how to build their personal credit, how to clean their personal credit, how to build their business credit, all the steps you need, all the documents you need, all the websites you need, $600. Any basic lesson is $600. If you want unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-one is going to be $1,200. If you want to book me right now on the crypto tour in person, learn these gems in person firsthand, $3,500. 500 deposit, 3,000 a person when we meet, and let's get this thing rocking. I'm gonna show you how to make all profit. I'm gonna show you how to make thousands of dollars a day off an iPhone, easy, all profit. I'm gonna show you how to invest. I'm gonna show you how to make passive income. I'm gonna show you about CPNs. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know to be successful, to be the person that people need to come to win and gain knowledge and be successful in life. So shout out to all my Real Hussle Nation Empire family members. Shout out to all my Real Hussle Nation Empire fans, and even shout out to the haters, because at the end of the day, you still watching, you still commenting, and you still intrigued, and that's cool with me. All positivity, no hate. I love y'all. Let's keep these videos dropping. Let's keep the motivation. Let's keep the gems. And I'm going to be back with some old videos. It's your boy, King Hussle. Oh, yeah, make sure y'all go run them followers up on my IG, King Hussle X1M. Click the description, the first link to say book here. That's my real IG. Go run them followers up for me. Go run them views up. Go run them comments. Let's get this YouTube channel to 100K, then to 1,000,000K. Let's get all the YouTube channels up to 100K. And let's keep this thing rapping. More gems coming soon. It's your boy, King Hussle. Peace. And I'm dropping 2 mixtapes soon, so stay tuned. Cryptocurrency and Hustle and Flow. So make sure you go follow King Hussle X1M on YouTube right now. That's my music channel where I'm gonna dropping all my music and music videos, and King Hussle Topic. That's where I drop all my mixtapes at. So make sure y'all start to tap back in with my music and my shit fire. I'm better than anybody out there. Any of y'all best rappers that y'all think? Nah. It's your boy King Hussle, Hussle Nation Empire. We out of here. Peace.